Hey y'all, it's your girl Breezy, and today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of gift basket vending. Now, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference in the world, honey. That's why I'm so excited to share my essential vending survival kit. Don't worry, we'll be in and out of here in a jiffy 10 minutes tops. First things first, let's talk tables. Sugar. The foundation of your display is crucial. You're going to need a sturdy, portable table to showcase those gorgeous gift baskets. This isn't just any table. It needs to be reliable. Now I'm talking about something that can hold its own because, honey, those baskets can get heavy. You don't want a table that wobbles or collapses under pressure. You want something that's easy to set up and break down, especially if you're on the go. Time is money, and the quicker you can set up, the better. Trust me, your back will thank you later. A table that's easy to handle can save you from a lot of physical strain. Now, when choosing a table, think about the size and weight capacity. It's not just about holding the baskets, but also about how many you can display. You want something that can comfortably fit a good number of baskets without looking cluttered. A spacious table allows for a more organized and appealing display, and don't forget about the height. The right height ensures that your customers can easily see and reach your products. You want your customers to be able to admire your creations without breaking their necks. A comfortable viewing height can make a big difference in customer experience. Personally, I love using a folding table with adjustable legs. This feature gives you the flexibility to adapt to different venues and situations. It gives me the flexibility to adjust the height depending on the venue. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, you can always find the perfect height. Plus, it folds up nice and compact for easy transport. Portability is key when you're moving from one market to another. And let me tell you, that's a lifesaver when you're lugging all your goodies around. A compact table makes transportation a breeze. Oh, and here's a little tip. Consider adding a tablecloth or runner to your table. This small addition can make a big impact. It adds a touch of personality and makes your display look extra inviting. A well-chosen tablecloth can draw customers in and make your products stand out. You can even coordinate the colors with your gift baskets for a cohesive look. A coordinated display shows attention to detail and professionalism. Remember, your table is your stage, so make it shine. A beautiful display can attract more customers and increase your sales. Choose something sturdy, portable, and visually appealing. The right table can make all the difference in presenting your products. It'll make all the difference in the world. A well-chosen table sets the stage for your success. All right, let's talk money, honey. Whether you're a seasoned vendor or just starting out, managing your finances effectively is crucial. When it comes to vending, you need a reliable and secure way to handle those transactions. It's not just about making sales, it's about ensuring every dollar is accounted for. And that's where a good old-fashioned cash box comes in handy. It's a simple yet effective tool that can make a world of difference in your daily operations. Now, I know what you're thinking, Breezy. Isn't this the digital age? With all the mobile payment options available, why bother with a cash box? And you're right, it is. Digital payments are convenient and increasingly popular, but let's not forget, technology isn't infallible. But trust me, having a cash box is still essential, especially for those times when technology decides to take a little break. Power outages, network issues, or even a dead battery can leave you stranded without a way to process payments. Plus, it's just good business practice. A cash box provides a tangible way to manage your money, making it easier to track your earnings and expenses. When choosing a cash box, look for one that's sturdy, spacious, and has multiple compartments. This will help you stay organized and efficient. You want to be able to keep your bills organized and your coins from rolling all over the place. A well-organized cash box can save you time and reduce stress during busy market days. And don't forget about a secure locking mechanism. Security is paramount, and a good lock can deter potential thieves. I like to keep a good amount of small bills and coins on hand for making change. It's a small detail, but it can make a big difference in customer satisfaction. There's nothing more frustrating than having a customer ready to buy, but you can't break a big bill. Always be prepared with enough change to keep transactions smooth. Oh, and here's a little safety tip. Don't keep all your cash in the cash box. Spread it out to minimize risk. Been there, done that, learn my lesson. Keeping a separate stash in a safe place can be a lifesaver. It's always a good idea to have a separate stash in a safe place, just in case. Safety first, always. Remember, managing your money effectively is not just about making sales, but also about ensuring your hard-earned cash is safe and secure. Happy vending! Chapter 3. Spread the love, the power of business cards. Now let's talk about putting your best foot forward and making sure folks remember you. Business cards, y'all. These little beauties are essential for promoting your brand and staying connected with potential customers. Think of your business cards as tiny ambassadors for your gift basket business. They should be eye-catching, informative, and leave a lasting impression. Make sure they include your business name, contact information, and a little something special that sets you apart. Now, I'm not talking about just any old boring business card. Get creative. Use vibrant colors, unique fonts, or even consider adding a special touch like a QR code that links to your website or social media pages. And don't be afraid to hand them out like confetti. Give them to customers, potential partners, even that nice barista at your favorite coffee shop. You never know where your next opportunity might come from. Remember, your business card is an extension of your brand, so make it count. Chapter 4. Price it right. Clear pricing for happy customers. Okay, y'all, let's talk about something that can make or break your vending experience: pricing. Pricing is not just about slapping a number on your products, it's an art and a science that can significantly impact your sales and customer satisfaction. Now, I know pricing can feel a little intimidating, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. With a few simple strategies, you can master the art of pricing and make it work for you. The key is to be clear, consistent, and confident in your worth. When you believe in the value of your products, your customers will too. First things first, make sure all of your gift baskets have clear and visible price tags. This is crucial because it sets the tone for transparency and trust with your customers. Don't make your customers hunt for the price. If they have to search for it, they might just walk away. Clear pricing helps in making quick decisions. It should be easy to find and easy to understand. The more straightforward your pricing, the more likely customers are to make a purchase. You can use printed tags, handwritten tags, or even get fancy with some chalkboard signs. The key is to make sure they are legible and attractive. When pricing your baskets, consider the cost of materials, your time, and any overhead expenses. This ensures that you cover your costs and make a profit. And don't be afraid to factor in a little profit margin, honey. Your time and effort are valuable, and you deserve to be compensated for them. You deserve to be compensated for your hard work and creativity. Your unique touch adds value to your products, and that should be reflected in your pricing. Now, I know it can be tempting to underprice your work, especially when you're starting out. But remember, underpricing can devalue your work and make it harder to raise prices later. But trust me, it's better to price your baskets fairly from the beginning. Fair pricing builds trust and loyalty among your customers. Your work is valuable, and you deserve to be paid what you're worth. So stand by your prices with confidence and watch your business thrive.
Know you've been a good friend.
Chapter 5. Clean hands, happy hearts, the importance of hygiene. All right, y'all, let's talk about something super important: hygiene. When you're vending, you're interacting with a lot of people, and it's essential to keep those hands clean. Trust me, nobody wants to catch a case of the sniffles from touching a gift basket. That's why I always keep a big old bottle of hand sanitizer in my vending kit. I'm talking about the good stuff, the kind that kills 99.9% of germs. And I make sure to use it religiously throughout the day, especially after handling money or before touching any of my baskets. But it's not just about protecting yourself, honey. It's also about protecting your customers. When they see you taking hygiene seriously, it shows that you care about their well-being. And that goes a long way in building trust and rapport. So do yourself and your customers a favor and keep those hands clean. A little hand sanitizer goes a long way in creating a safe and enjoyable vending experience for everyone. Now that you're ready to conquer those vendor events, let's talk about the ultimate survival kit to ensure your day runs smoothly. First up, always have plenty of drinking water to stay hydrated. Events can be long and exhausting, so keeping yourself refreshed is a must. Next, don't forget the extra tape and ribbon. These can be lifesavers for last-minute adjustments and keeping your gift baskets looking pristine. Zip ties are another handy tool for securing items and keeping your setup neat and tidy. Scissors are a no-brainer. You'll need them for cutting ribbon, tape, and any other materials you might use. Also, bring along some extra bags for those unexpected sales. Having a variety of sizes can accommodate different customer needs. Price tags are essential for clear and transparent pricing, making it easy for customers to know how much each item costs without having to ask. Don't forget a portable power bank to charge your electronics. And finally, pack a small first aid kit, just in case of minor cuts or scrapes. With this survival kit by your side, you'll be more than prepared for any event. Happy vending, and may your sales be ever in your favor. Well, there you have it, my loves, my essential vending survival kit. With these tools in your arsenal, you'll be well on your way to rocking those vendor events. Remember, preparation is key, and having the right tools can make all the difference. Now, go out there and spread that gift basket joy, and don't forget to have fun while you're at it, because when you're doing what you love, it shows. All right, y'all, stay sweet and keep on shining.